Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. A saved backup and page layout view active. Open the workbook, save a copy, and switch to page layout so you see margins, headers, and print breaks. Next, make initial structural changes. Insert or delete rows and columns where layout needs shifting. Once done, adjust column widths and row heights to approximate final spacing. This prevents later surprises when aligning tables and charts. Make these first moves deliberately. They determine the rest of the process. Now you refine structure and formatting so the sheet behaves predictably. Use precise sizing. Format column width or row height, entering exact numbers to align key fields. Group related columns or rows to collapse details, and use freeze panes so headers remain visible while you scroll. Apply cell styles and conditional formatting to highlight important values. Choose consistent fonts and number formats for readability. Once these middle steps are complete, inspect alignment in both normal and page. Break preview before final tweaks. Finish by preparing the layout for sharing and printing. Define the print area, then open Page Setup to set orientation, scaling, and margins so tables fit on intended pages. Make accessibility checks. Add alt text, ensure contrast, and confirm logical tab order. If something breaks, try a quick fix. Reset the view, unmerge problem cells, or run inspect document to find hidden objects. If printing still misaligns, reduce scaling incrementally or adjust column widths by small amounts until alignment is correct.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.